Morning mga atings! Magandang araw, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ayan, welcome to my channel. This is Ate Sin again. And I hope every one of you are all doing great. So, ngayon ay umaga. So, ako ay may pasok. Break ko ngayon. At ang aking, dahil break, morning break, ito ang ating morning break. Well, it's ano bang tawag dyan? Rigatoni ba ito? Bilog siya na ano. Tapos nilagyan ng marinara sauce. That's it. With green onions. So, yan. Ang breakfast, guys, dapat hindi matamis. Muffin. Wala. Muffin. Hindi maganda yung muffin. Anything na matamis, hindi pwede for breakfast. Mas maganda na ang agahan ay savory. It's supposed to be savory. Yun ang sabi ng mga dietitian, mga doktor din, kailangan savory ang agahan. So, it's, muffin is not really a good breakfast. No. So, anything like egg, so egg with a toasted bread with butter. So, anything like that. A little bit of bacon. So, pero egg number 1 for breakfast, I suggest. So, yun lang. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And thank you for subscribing. To those who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe in my channel. Bye and God bless.